Media, the double-edged sword of truth and deception. Yin and yang, heads or tails, left or right. Everybody is given a choice. These choices are influenced by the factors around us. What we see, what we hear, and what we think is true. This is where the media comes in. Media, as coined by Anwar Sagar of the Doctoral School of Industry Innovations, is the primary source of human information. However, with the convenience and accessibility it provides, media brings about challenges yet to be solved by mankind. Media as a double-edged sword, leaving behind both destruction and restoration in its path. Media harbors a power, more power it undoubtedly cannot wield. Let's take for an example, in the Israel-Palestine conflict of 75 years and 6 months. Western media coverage of Palestinians as a violent terrorist has normalized their dehumanization and legitimized Israel's crimes against them, like the siege and genocide in Gaza. It refuses to view this struggle as anti-colonial according to Council on Foreign Relations, leading to horrific, unverified claims about the conflict spread like wildfire by news outlets and on social media, rapidly fueling tensions and violence. Meanwhile, in an online media platform called TikTok, content creators are joining forces to help Palestine bring back its land and freedom. TikTokers exert effort in educating people on what is really happening in Palestine and how Israel and Western media convey Palestine as a terrorist, when in fact Palestine has no weapons and armies. Media brings as much negative as it does positive. With this, understanding the duality of media is crucial for developing a discerning eye, harboring critical thinking, and maintaining a conscious effort to seek balanced perspective amidst biased voices. With this, each individual should strive for the sheathing of the media's double-edged sword, because everybody is given a choice. Yin and yang, heads or tails, left or right. These choices shape our future. It encompasses our values, ultimately indicating who you are, what you feel, and who you will become. Media as a double-edged sword of truth and deception.